Do you know who are the people who are making money right now? The businesses that are online and the people who are working as freelancers digitally. Digital era is our future. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Diginetic, a platform for business growth. My name is Manmeet and let's get started. So as promised, I'm going to talk about 40 different ways to earn income online. This will be divided into 4 parts, that is content, design, online instruction or mediums of teaching online, and the fourth one is product review and articles. So this video is going to be about content writing. If you know how to write content nicely, these are some ways that will help you to earn income online. Our first point is write blogs for companies. Now, I have said always that a blog brings a lot of traffic to your site. You can engage your customers and turn them into sales. So a lot of companies and startups do not have time to update their sites regularly with blogs. That is where you come in. Find companies on websites like freelancer.com, upwork.com and contact them over the internet and write blogs for them. They do give a good amount for doing this because this is the need of the hour. Every company needs a blog. Our second point is editor or a reviewer. Let's consider that you do not like to write big paragraphs and put in a lot of time into that, but you do have good vocabulary and good command over language. Become an editor, become a reviewer. You can proofread documents, ebooks and whatnot, and the best part is you get paid per word. It is starters, freelancers get 0.40 paisa for per word, and if you get better at it, you get 60 paisa or 70 paisa for every word. Our third point is video marketing. What are we doing in this lockdown? We are scrolling through YouTube, and YouTube has the maximum number of membership since the lockdown has started. This YouTube video, for example, this was content. I had scripted this video and then I started recording the video. A lot of companies need script writers to script their videos, which they can showcase to their audience. So you can always contact companies and write for the videos as well. That is also a part of content making. Our next point is collaborations and partnerships on Instagram. With Instagram growing as one of the biggest social media handles, it is becoming really competitive. A lot of brands need content writers to write their captions, engaging stories, posters, and whatnot. Just take out some time, look for the profiles, and see what kind of content they are making. Write collaboration emails to them, and I'm sure you're going to land up 1 or 2 partnerships in the span of 1 week. This brings me to my next point, that is copywriting. There is a major question: what is copywriting and what is content writing? Copywriting is majorly using the words to sell better, whereas content writing is done to provide valuable content to the audience. So all the TV commercials that you see and the ads that run on social media all day long are a part of copywriting. I'm going to make a separate video about how to get your first client, but before that, go and try your hands on. This brings me to my next point: email or email marketing. All the emails that we receive after we sign up with the brand, all those emails are written by content writers. You can opt as an email content writer separately. Yes, that is a job title, and you can earn really good because that email has to be very captivating and has to engage the audience once it reaches them. My next one is create your own blog. If you want to be independent and you do not want to work for somebody else, you want to work for yourself, so create your own blog. You have 2 options, that is WordPress.org and WordPress.com. What is the difference? when you go for WordPress.org, your domain name is going to be something like this: digineticpr.wordpress.com. Whereas .com gives you complete authority, that is digineticpr.com. And you can also go ahead, if you start writing and your content is good and you're getting traffic, you can get Google AdSense approval, and every time somebody comes on your site and clicks on an ad, you receive money from Google. Isn't that a lot more easier to be independent? My next point is podcast. The podcast that you listen to is also content. All these visuals, images, videos, everything is a reflection of content. So if you like speaking a lot, you can go to anchor.fm, create an account for free of cost, and start recording your small episodes, series, inspirations, whatever you want. Or you can work for some company as well. You can lend your voice for a cost of money. And if you make an account on anchorfm.com and you start performing good, soon you can monetize it and start earning from ads there as well. Another way to earn independently. Alright, my next point is sell an ebook. This is another way how you can earn independently. Now you would say, how can I write a book? That's so difficult. I'm talking about an ebook. Ebook is very easy to do. It has to be only of minimum 10 to 15 pages, as small as it can get, or you can write more if you want. And now you can go on Amazon Kindle and publish your book free of cost, and you have to give some royalty to Amazon, and rest you can start selling. Again, I'm going to make a separate video on how to sell your ebook and earn maximum. So if you're interested in, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss that video. This brings me to my next point: enter competitions. A lot of brands right now are trying to stay connected with their audience. Like I said in the last video, आप business में हो या नहीं हो, stay connected with your audience. That is why they are putting out a lot of competitions like essay writing, short stories, scribble diaries, and a lot of other things. And they're also offering a lot of rewards and prizes. So if you want to earn only while this lockdown period, test your skills and earn a lot of reward. So that was it. I hope these points were helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section below if any of these points you can adopt and start earning in this lockdown. So the part 2 of this video is going to be about designing. So hit the bell icon if you do not want to miss that video. I'm going to talk about ways you can earn money if you have a lot of good skills in designing. Also, before the part 2 comes up, I'm going to put up a special video in between part 1 and part 2, which is going to be about small business owners specifically. So do not miss that video and stay tuned. And you know the drill. If you like my content, please share it with others so that they can also benefit from this. And please subscribe to my channel. It's free of cost. And I'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, love and light from me to you. Happy earning.